I can't wait to show you this style from Tony of Beverly. This is Kenzie and the color is Rooted Coconut Cream. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Tony of Beverly Kenzie. Again, this color is Rooted Coconut Cream. Welcome. Thank you for joining me today. If you will look in the drop-down box below this video, you will find a link with ordering information for Kenzie. Also, if you need to get in touch with us, please don't hesitate. Reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com, and you can live chat with Wig Studio One during normal business hours from the wigstudio1.com website. You can live chat with a personal hair consultant. So there's lots of ways to reach out to us, and please don't hesitate if you have any questions. Okay, look at this cute style. Tony of Beverly Kenzie. It is from their Soft Touch collection. These are their soft touch, lightweight, synthetic fibers. They are very fine. The fibers on this wig are very fine and silky. Has a little longer nape. I like that. I feel like that gives you a lot of coverage here. Like I've told you in the past, if you have hair that grows down any on your neck, these wigs that have a little bit longer nape really provide good coverage for that. Now, this is a basic cap, and I'll show you the inside of the cap in a minute, but I just want to show you the coverage. It has really good coverage there and there. Now, one thing I want to talk about on this wig is fit. This was very, very large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I have it pulled in all the way and it's still large. So if you have a 23-inch head, anything like that, I think you can easily wear this style. Now you can brush this back behind your ears, which is how I usually always wear these, but I like this little short, out of the box, easy to wear style. It has this kind of brushed up back on it, flippy ends. These really are just throw on and go out of the box. Now there is a lot of perma-tease in this wig. If you're not a fan of perma-tease, this is not your wig. There is a lot of perma-tease here. You can see it has a lot of lift. You can even get more lift if you want, but I just like to make you aware of that. Now let's talk about this color, Rooted Coconut Cream. Tony of Beverly describes this as a creamy platinum with beige lowlights, and it has this darker root. And I think that is a very good description of this color. Make sure you see that. I'm going to show it to you in some different lighting as well. And I think this comes in over 50 shades. There is definitely something for everyone. Now this has this sweeping bang, a 4-inch bang. The nape on this is 1.75. Like I said, a little longer here. Make sure you get a good look at that. So it has the 4-inch bang, a nape of 1.75, the sides 3 to 3.5 inches. Just lots of layers here, tons and tons of layers. 4.75 on the crown, and the weight is 2.05 ounces, I believe, on this one. So again, you can get a lot of volume here. I'm going to use this Tress Tech leave-in conditioner. I like this. I use this a lot. I think it takes down the shine a little bit. It also adds some texture. I'm just going to show you how I would do that. I just spray a little on it, run my hands through it. This is a nice product if you haven't tried this. I will also link this below. And there is a little extra room in this cap on me again. So this cap, like I said, fits quite large. But see, you can get some volume there, more volume if you like, and create some texture just using a little product. You could also use some styling cream, some wig wax, anything like that. Okay, let's look at the inside of this cap. This is a basic cap construction. There's no lace detail here. It has open wefting. It does have perma-tease like we talked about. It has closed ear tabs with stays. It has an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters.